with our guest today, I almost want to say, if you listen to any of our podcasts, this is the one you can use for your whole family. Make sure you know about it. And that's why we had to bring in the big brain. So, and with that, I'm going to introduce our guest today, Professor Vernon Louw. He is the professor of hematology at Groote Schuur Hospital. He actually brought me into the iron world that I understand it better. So welcome.
Thank you very much, Rudy. Sean, lovely to be with you.
Great. And we are going to take iron from its basics. So iron is a micro element that we have to to live. It is pretty much the building block of how we carry oxygen, and also a big coenzyme in how a lot of our processes, at least 17 of our processes, work. So maybe with that, I'm gonna leave it with you. Let you just tell us a little bit about what iron is and how it gets into the body, how it actually works.
Right. No, thank you very much. I think many people know about iron, but I think many, if not most, have a misunderstanding. And I think even many medical doctors have a misunderstanding about the importance of iron. So what most people would know is that iron is a critical element for red blood cell production. And red blood cells are the cells that carry oxygen. So you need iron to make hemoglobin, which is something our listeners might have heard about. And without it, you will become what we call anemic. So your hemoglobin will drop and you will have a whole range of symptoms. I think what many people don't know about iron is, number one, that iron is used in every single cell in the body, and that only 50% of the iron goes to the bone marrow to make red blood cells. So where does the other 50% go? To every other cell in the body. And the amazing thing about it is that it's critically important for many, many processes, as you said, including the energy production process in the cells. And I've often thought about this, and I actually spoke to someone recently saying that I think there's a part of our biology that I think we have neglected, and that's the mitochondrion. I think the mitochondrion and its health provides a kind of a unifying theory for many of the health problems people struggle with. And iron is key to that. And in the mitochondria, apart from this production of hemoglobin, or part of the hemoglobin molecule, is the production of a molecule called ATP, which is our key energy molecule.